going, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I got to show you another video on this app, FeaturePoints, and that way you can get paid to, do surveys, do offers, and the best part about it, you can get paid instantly. So just scrolling down here, showing you some of the different surveys they have, Pollfish, InBrain, Tag Research. Those do offer disqualification points, so if you don't, qualify for the survey, they do give you the points for that. They also have regular surveys on here, the amount of time it takes, and the amount of points you can get for it as well. Some of these have disqualifications points as well. You can also play games on here. You got the Sugar Rush, you got the Big Money. Very simple. You just click on it, and you just scratch and win, and you'll get tokens for doing that. So I got 5 tokens for doing that. So, it's just a little something simple that you can do just throughout the day. As far as, playing the games, you can play again if you want to. Now just kind of going back. The thing is about this app, it's been around a long time, and, they all do have, like I said, surveys, but they do have some offer walls on here that you can choose from as well. So you'll see here the surveys, but if I go to the offer wall section down at the bottom, different offer walls you can choose from. And the offers are as simple as, just, signing up for this, submitting the email address. It's not difficult. All you have to do is just look at what the description is asking you to do, and you do it, and you get points for that. It's just that simple. So, like I said, you can do the surveys and the offers and, to play games really to make money with this app. As far as cashing out, they have lots of different ways you can see here to cash out. If you want to do PayPal, it's a minimum of $5. That's 3,000 points. And yes, it will come instantly to your account. If you want to cash out with Bitcoin, do that as well. With crypto, it's a minimum of $10 to do that. So there's different ways to cash out. Whatever way you choose, it comes to your account instantly. So I will leave the link to this app in the description. You can sign up on your Android or your Apple phone, whatever it is. Start making money with this app, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.